We've got 7 females and 1 male out of this group. And we're keeping all of them for future mommies. We're just showing, and playing with them in the house on Thanksgiving Day. They're sure wanting their mommy, ain't they? Can you turn them all and get them all sitting together, girls? Right there like that, Raven? Let's get a good sharp picture of them. Video. We could almost say eeny, meeny, miny, mo, can't we? So they'll be ready to have puppies here in 15 to 22 months. And then we'll get more puppies that look just like them out of them. Got our stove there. We got our Christmas tree up. And Jenny is taking a snooze on us, ain't you, girl? Jenny, you're looking, ain't you? Right. Well, pretty puppies. Yeah, they're kind of quiet, so we'll let them.